Which histone protein is not part of the nucleosome core particle? Correct answer is option A. H1 histone protein is not a part of the nucleosome core particle. Which enzyme is responsible for proofreading during DNA replication? Correct answer is option B. DNA polymerase III. Which of the following process does not occur in the mitochondria? Correct answer is option B. Glycolysis does not occur in the mitochondria. Which type of RNA is most abundant in a cell? Correct answer is option B. Ribosomal RNA. In eukaryotic cells, transcription occurs in. Correct answer is option A. Nucleus. In an open model, the regulator gene produce. Correct answer is option B. Repressor. A human karyotype with XXY chromosome indicate. Correct answer is option C. Klinefelter syndrome. Crossing over occurs during which meiotic stage? Correct answer is option A. Prophase 1. Okazaki fragments are formed during. Correct answer is option B. DNA replication at lagging strand. Which of the following disease is autosomal recessive? Correct answer is option B. Sickle cell anemia. One gene, one enzyme hypothesis was proposed by. Correct answer is option A. Beadle and Tatum. A DNA molecule has 20% adenine. What is the percentage of guanine? Correct answer is option B. 30% guanine. DNA replication is called semi-conservative because. Correct answer is option A. Because one strand is conserved. Trisomy 21 is commonly known as. Correct answer is option C. Down syndrome. The Bohr effect is associated with. Correct answer is option B. Carbon dioxide effect on oxygen unloading. Which of the following hormone is steroid? Correct answer is option B. Estrogen. Which plant hormone promotes cell elongation? Correct answer is option C. Auxin hormone promotes cell elongation. Transpiration pool is generated by. Correct answer is option C. Evaporation of water from leaves. What is the function of phytochrome in plants? Correct answer is option B. Flowering regulation by light. Which part of the nephron is responsible for reabsorption of glucose? Correct answer is option C. Proximal convoluted tubule. Which mineral is essential for the opening and closing of stomata? Correct answer is option C. Potassium is essential for opening and closing of stomata. Biological magnification refers to. Correct answer is option B. Accumulation of toxin in food chains. Which type of succession starts on newly formed land? Correct answer is option C. Primary type of succession starts a newly formed land. The primary consumer in a food chain is always. Correct answer is option C. Herbivore is the primary consumer in a food chain. Pioneer species in a zooxanthellae succession are usually. Correct answer is option B. Lichen. Plasmids used in genetic engineering usually contain. Correct answer is option B. Antibiotic resistance genes. Gel electrophoresis separates DNA fragments based on. Correct answer is option C. Based on size. Which technique is used for DNA fingerprinting? Correct answer is option C. Southern blotting. Bt cotton has been genetically engineered for resistance against. Correct answer is option C. Insect. Which enzyme is used to join DNA fragment? Correct answer is option C. DNA ligase enzyme is used to join DNA fragment. Which microorganism is used in alcohol fermentation? Correct answer is option C. Yeast is used in alcohol fermentation. Which part of a virus is responsible for host specificity? Correct answer is option C. Glycoprotein spikes. Mycorrhiza is a symbiotic association between. Correct answer is option B. Fungus and roots of higher plants. Archaebacteria differ from eubacteria in having. Correct answer is option B. Pseudomyrine in cell wall. Which of the following is a nitrogen-fixing cyanobacterium? Correct answer is option A. Nostoc. Which hormone triggers ovulation in females? Correct answer is option B. LH luteinizing hormone. Which of the following is the correct sequence of embryonic development? Correct answer is option C. Placenta is formed by the union of. Correct answer is option A. Chorion and endometrium. Extraembryonic membranes in humans include all except. Correct answer is option D. Which stage of spermatogenesis is haploid? Correct answer is option C. Secondary spermatocyte. Which phylum has a water vascular system? Correct answer is option C. Echinodermata. Which of the following is a diploblastic organism? Correct answer is option B. Hydra is a diploblastic organism. Which of the following animals is a pseudocolumate? Correct answer is option B. Roundworms. Which is a connecting link between annelids and arthropods? Correct answer is option A. Peripatus. Which one is not a characteristic of mammals? Correct answer is option B. Laying shield eggs. Which organelle is known as the suicidal bag of the cell? Correct answer is option C. Lysosome is known as the suicidal bag of the cell. Which protein provides elasticity to connective tissue? Correct answer is option C, elastin. Which class of vertebrates lacks jaws? Correct answer is option C. The excretory organ of planaria is. Correct answer is option A, flame cells. Open circulatory system is found in. Correct answer is option C, arthropods.